These are the top 5 ways to increase your gift card sales in store. Tip number 1, displays and advertisements at the point of sale. Have your gift cards positioned next to all registers with an attractive display so customers can easily grab one as an impulse buy. When customers come in for refunds or returns, offer a gift card instead. Put a note about gift cards in each purchase bag. Promote your gift cards on your receipts. Tip number 2, having the staff promote gift cards at point of sale. Have your employees ask each customer, would you like to buy a gift card today? You will be shocked how many people will say, sure. Bottom line, make sure it's a no-brainer for customers to toss in a gift card at the point of sale. Try it. You'll double your gift card sales with just this tip alone. Tip number 3, in-store advertisements. Place posters or print ads everywhere. On the door, both as you come in and go out, in the bathrooms, the dressing rooms if you're a retail establishment, and always on your receipts. A few special tips for restaurants. Try placing table toppers with gift card info on them. Also, inserts in your menus, and if you have TV monitors, put an ad up there as well. The more people know and see that you offer gift cards, the more you'll sell. Tip number 4, selling gift card packages. Giving your customers more options will make you more money. By offering gift card packages alongside your gift cards, customers spend 2 times more money than they originally intended. Plus, packages enable people to give more memorable, all-inclusive gift experience, which makes your business stand out. If you're a restaurant, try offering a date night or anniversary package, which could include a 3-course meal, wine, and dessert for so much money. If you're a salon or spa, offer a massage, facial, and manicure package for X amount of dollars. For retail establishments, you could offer a package where someone can pick out an entire outfit, pants, top, and accessories for one price. Tip number 5, packaging your gift cards. People love gifts that are wrapped pretty. There is a whole industry dedicated to attractive paper and bows to wrap a present in. So it's assumed that people receiving gift cards would want the same. Try giving your customers the option to customize your gift cards. Offer different design options for different holidays or occasions. You could have different options to package gift cards for an additional $1 or $2, such as personalized greeting card. Or instead of a greeting card, you can offer gifts to put the gift card in, such as a puzzle, bank, or wallet. If you want to sell more gift cards at your business, then go to giftcardmarketingsystem.com to see how.